Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Signet Public School, I am Mrs. Swati Zope. Welcome you all. There are many different aspects of the global environment which demand action. The tropical rainforest, the food chain in the sea, and the problems of pollution. But today, on the occasion of International Ozone Day, I would like to share poem regarding the same. It is the season of summer. It is the season of summer when the sun shines brighter and brighter, making land hot by taking the water, and makes dry the lands of farmers. Those who are rich, they start AC and go to sleep. Those who are not rich, in their houses, sun rays leak. Those people who are facing from drought, the reason for that is lower stratosphere. This happens because of technology we use. Those people who use AC instead of cooler, they should think about the future of poor. When we makes our present days colder, but we don't think the problem we have to face in future. This is the prayer of me and the poor who are giving the message to save ozone layer to save ozone layer.
September 16 was designated by the United Nations General Assembly as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. World Ozone Day, held on September 16, celebrates this achievement. It shows that collective decisions and action guided by science are the only way to solve major global crises. In this year of the COVID 19 pandemic that has brought such a social and economic hardship, the ozone treaty's message of working together in harmony and for the collective good is more important than ever. Ozone is a trioxygen inorganic molecule having pale blue color and pungent smell. Its formula is O3, which means trioxygen. It is not only molecule having pungent smell, it is the protective layer around the earth. The layer which protects the earth from different hazardous gases and attack of bursting stars in a space. Scientists prove that fission reactions are continuously taking place in sun and other stars. If the chemicals, gases and other reaction products directly reach to the earth, it will be very dangerous for the safety and the survival of the earth. Mainly ozone layer protects the earth from ultraviolet rays, which are very hazardous for the earth. Ozone is therefore a very protective layer for earth. But unfortunately, due to excessive use of chlorofluorocarbons in our daily life, the main source of chlorofluorocarbons are refrigerators and air conditioners. These chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for gradual depletion of ozone layer. Scientists have observed a hole Scientists have observed a hole in ozone layer which is alarming for the world. So to create awareness and to acquire environment, environmental friendly techniques to reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbons. UN General Assembly proposed to celebrate World Ozone Day. This decision was taken in 1994, and since then World Ozone Day is celebrated every year on 16 September. This day is celebrated worldwide on national and international levels. Governments of different different countries conduct awareness program and ceremonies to spread the use of environmental friendly and ozone protective products. Different programs are also conducted in schools and colleges to teach Young ones, young ones, how to protect our world. Different activities are managed by the teachers to develop awareness in a student so they can learn the use of environmental friendly and ozone protective techniques. Scientists and the researchers prove that use of hydrofluorocarbons in place of chlorofluorocarbons is less dangerous. According to research, hydrofluorocarbons have zero ozone depletion potential. Scientists have also observed that ozone depletion level has been lowering since the use of hydrofluorocarbons instead of chlorofluorocarbons. So we all love ozone layer. But how can we reduce ozone depletion? We have to replace the chlorofluorocarbon by hydrofluorocarbon, but there are some other ways also to reduce ozone depletion. We have to recycling old refrigerants and air conditioners. Use alternative products to gas from blow products, water blow products. Alternative propellant hydrocarbons. Alternative to methyl bromide, natural pesticides and fertilizers. So on the occasion of Ozone Day, the slogan of the day is Ozone for Life. Remind us that not only in ozone crucial for life on earth, but that we must continue to protect the ozone layer for future generation. We have to protect our ozone layer for our future generation.